Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 20. This is Section 2.6, Problem 20. It says subtract the fractions, and we have 17 over 5 minus 3 over 5. So because the denominators are the same in both fractions in the question, I get to keep that same denominator in my answer, which is 5. Now I will subtract the numerators. 17 minus 3 is 14. Now that is the answer, 14 over 5, but this is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. So I can at least simplify it in terms of making it into a mixed number, a number with a fraction. So I know 15 over 5 would be 3. It's got to be a little less than 3. So what you want to do is, off to the side, just set up a division problem. The denominator of 5 will divide into the numerator of 14. How many times? So 5 will go into 14 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. And now you can subtract 14 minus 10 is 4. So my remainder is 4. That's the numerator of my mixed number. And the number that was the denominator stays the denominator. So my final answer in its more simplified form would be 2 4/5.